A very good morning to all of you. My name is Huzaifa Nasir Siddiqui. I am studying in Al Kalam English School. At first, I would like to wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today, we are present here to celebrate the 72nd Republic Day of our country. I am going to give a short speech on this auspicious occasion. Republic Day is a very important day for all Indians. This day is celebrated with great enthusiasm every year on 26th January. For India, Republic Day is not only a celebration but also a parade and honor. My dear friend, we celebrate this national event every year to remember and pay respect to the Indian Constitution. We know that our country became independent from British rule on 15 August 1947. When our country became independent, India did not have its own constitution. India needed its own constitution. Creating a constitution was not an easy task. It took a lots of hard work to build it. It took 2 years, 11 months and 17 days to complete the Constitution of India. The Indian Constitution was formed due to the contribution of many freedom fighters like Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Dr. Zakir Hussain, Pandit Nehru, etc. His invaluable contribution gave a strong constitution to Indians. This constitution came into force on 26th January 1950 all over India. Today, we are living in freedom without any pressure in the society because we got our fundamental rights. Due to this freedom fighters, we are living a life happy. Today, we should never forget his contribution. Freedom in mind, faith in word, pride in heart, memories in soul. Let's salute the nation on Republic Day. Happy Republic Day. Jai Hind. Thank you.